Hello 이모 삼촌들. Tomorrow I have pest control. Do you remember there's crickets in my house? So the pest control team will be here tomorrow. So I have to empty all the drawers, closet, cabinets. It's a lot of work. Let me show you what I have done so far. Look at this. It's a lot of stuff. I did it yesterday and I threw a lot of things yesterday. But still, I have so many things. And today I emptied kitchen counter and like all the cabinets and everything. They are here on the dining table. These are from today. I have to throw them away. Since I moved everything from everywhere, I'm going to deep clean tonight, right now. I'm gonna vacuum whole house and I've noticed there's a lot of spider webs everywhere. I'm gonna remove them. It's so much work. I did it for 6 hours yesterday and today I'm doing it for like 2 hours right now. I'm expecting to finish it in 2 hours. Let's do that. I'm going to throw this away first and then let's vacuum. Alright, I throw them away and now I'm going to remove all the water bottles. I order waters every 2 months for drinking and cooking. 아이고. I picked up a face mask from the floor. I'm gonna do that tonight. Before vacuum the floor, let's do countertop first. This, actually I've never used this since I moved here. From now on, I'm going to use it more often. Very often. That means I'm gonna keep my house clean. Eh? I charged? Maybe it's full, that's why it doesn't work. Let's empty it. Slide it? What? How do I open it? Slide to access filter. I'm sliding it. 아, 이건가? 이헤이. Okay, I found the button. Let me quickly get it done. This small thing works really well. I'm gonna wipe them later. Let's vacuum the floors before it's too late. Let me empty first. Wow. I need some kind of stick to clean it up. I packed everything, so I have nothing. No. Oh yeah, I found one. Maybe I'm a genius. Straw from a milk packet. Okay. It's kind of short, but it works pretty well. Alright, it's ready. 놓을 데가 없어. It feels like never ending. Oh, I have to throw this away too. Look at this. My trash bin. I stepped it by accident. I broke the lid. It's time to go. Bye bye. Okay, kitchen is done. Let's move on to living room. Oh, I have to pack my shoes as well. I leave this clothes for tomorrow. I have to be outside for like at least few hours. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna pick up my passport. Korean embassy is in LA downtown. It's almost 1 hour away. I really don't like driving in downtown. It's so busy. Oh, I think something wrong with this vacuum. Look. Oh, no battery? These 3 lights are blinking. That means no battery? I didn't use it for that long, but yeah, I already finished most of the places. Let's move on then. Hopefully it's not broken, please. Time to wipe the counter. It feels actually good. I'm cleaning up my house. It's a new start. I'm going to keep cleaning my house. My new work setup is almost ready. Ha ha ha. It looks so good. I will show you soon. 얼마나 더러운지. Oh. So now what I'm going to do is I have to cover this like this. You know what I used? I used the trash bags. Like I cut it up and use it for covering stuff. I searched like cover sheets they're too expensive. So I was thinking, oh, what should I use? And I thought using this trash bag is much cheaper. So I did it. After I cover them up, it's pretty much done. So I'm gonna take shower and going to Panda Express to have some food. My kitchen is empty right now. I can't cook. Let's cover it up. Let me finish it real quick. Okay, I covered them. Now, only thing I have to do is tomorrow morning, I have to put these bags onto my bed and cover them up. That's it. Finally. I'm gonna take shower real quick and I'm gonna come back, okay? Yeah, I just took shower and I realized that the crickets are not making any sound today. Maybe because they know they're coming tomorrow. It's so strange. Okay, anyways, so tomorrow I have to be outside. I don't think I'm gonna use MacBook, but I wanna just take it outside together. You know, this is one of my kind of bucket list, that work at outside of house, like such as cafe or restaurant. I'm not sure about here, but in Korea, people go to cafe, use a computer a lot. I'm not gonna work outside tomorrow, but I just wanna feel that. And also, I have to take computer, camera. Yeah, that should be good. And I'm thinking, I think it's better to cover my computers because they're gonna spray the thing stuck in my computer. I'm going to cover them. 어디 보자. 나 배고파 죽겠다. Okay. Everything's almost done. It's 8:48. Let's go Panda Express. I'm very hungry. Starving. Can I please have a plate with orange chicken and honey walnut shrimp?
And then for the honey walnut shrimp, the portion is 7 pieces, but I only have 5 pieces. I can give you the honey walnut shrimp for free, and then you could choose another item. Did you want to do that?
Oh, are you sure? Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
I got shrimp for free. Yay. Lucky. Oh, how lucky I am. Oh, I was actually thinking, should I get bigger plate for 3 dishes or just like don't be greedy, get a plate with 2 dishes as usual. And I decided not to be greedy and I got lucky. Oh my god, I mean, it's such a small thing, but it makes me so happy right now. Yesterday and today after work, I had to arrange things for tomorrow's pest control. It was actually exhausted. Right now, I'm very happy. I'm so excited to have it. I'm so hungry. Oh, I'm so sleepy. I'm gonna sleep so well tonight, I guess. And these days, I actually sleep very well. I used to sleep very like a random time, sometimes like 2, sometimes 3. But these days, I sleep before 2, even if I come home at like 12:30 after work. When I come back home from work, like 12:30, after shower and everything, it's already 1 a.m. It's really hard to sleep right away. Thank you. Have a good night. Oh, finally, I'm having food. Let me show you the food. My dining table is occupied. I'm gonna have to eat here. Oh, by the way, before I open the food, I want to show you something. I just got the package. Ta-da! It's a mouse. It has custom keys, so I heard it's really good for editing, very convenient. I can't wait to use it. And this MacBook case. And this case too. Oh! I'm so silly. Look, so there's sticker on it. So I was like, oh, let me remove it. And it's really hard to remove. I just realized I can do this. I was like, why did they sticker so hard? MacBook is safe now. I have double cases. This and this. And also, this is external drive. All of my drive was full. So I was thinking, oh, should I remove my old videos? And you guys got me this. All of this, literally you are building my work setup. I am really appreciated and I'm so happy. Imagine I open up MacBook in public, like, look like I'm doing something very, very important. I'm gonna keep it up. I'm gonna keep working hard. Oh yeah, let's eat. Hey, how lucky I am. I think this is the shrimp they gave me for free. Yes. This is my plate. Fried rice, chow mein, black pepper steak, and orange chicken. It's a lot of food. I'm gonna be full. I'm gonna probably turn the camera off. So let's open this fortune cookie first. Oh. Break it. Happiness is around the corner. Wealth is down the street. Now I'm going to enjoy my meal. Good job, EJ. That was big project yesterday and today. And after the pest control, I have to put them all back. So it's gonna be another big project. I can do it. Actually, I didn't remove any spider webs. Let's do that one step at a time. Today, I think that's enough. After clean up the house, I feel really good. I'm gonna try to clean up right away after film cooking videos. Before, I always film the videos and leave it like that, and the day after I cleaned up before I start another filming. It's really bad because before even I start filming, I do something else. I mean cleaning as work. It's not really good. So I think I have to clean it up right away. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good night.